Hello, greetings to all of you. Today we will discuss Classical School of Criminology. Classical School of Criminology was a combined effort of Caesar Beccaria and Jeremy Bentham. It was given in the 18th century. Before continuing to Classical School, we have to know some important aspects before 18th century. If we know them, then Classical School would be easy to understand. So, before Classical School, the concept of crime and its causation was illogical, and punishment system at that time was very inhuman and illogical. First, we discuss the concept of crime in early period. That crime is a result of evil devil force. In simple words, if any person commit crime in that time, they used to say that it's not his or her fault. Actually, there are some supernatural and evil devil forces that compels them to commit crime. This was the concept about crime and its causation before 18th century and Classical School of Criminology. Now, punishment concept at that time. Also in that period, the way of punishment was very inhuman. They used to punish them inhuman, such as cut the pieces of alive body, scratching the whole body skin, throw the offender into hot boiled oil, and these 200 type of punishment was given before 18th century. This was a short intro about background of Classical School. After that circumstances, Caesar Beccaria wrote an essay on crimes and punishment in 1764. In that, Caesar Beccaria discussed change the whole system. After that, philosopher Jeremy Bentham and Caesar Beccaria later worked on Classical School of Criminology. In Classical School, they used the term free will. In that, they said that every person have their own free will to commit anything, or people are responsible for their own acts. They clearly denied that there is no any evil devil forces concept. People are responsible for their acts. They further add that everyone has hedonistic calculus in their mind, and by using that, they know that what act bring what result. In Classical School, they further add that people are selfish, they want pleasure and avoid pain. So, in the desire of more pleasure and commit wrong acts and criminal acts to get pleasure. Now, punishment on crimes and punishment by Caesar Beccaria. Also, the concept of punishment was changed in Classical School. Caesar Beccaria says that punishment should be there, but under the certain barriers and limits. Beccaria says that punishment should be given according to act. If the offender commit petty crimes, then punishment should be less and according to act. If the offender commit any serious offense, then punishment should be severe and according to act. Further, Caesar Beccaria says that punishment should be certain. It means there should not be discrimination on the basis of status, color, race, gender. Everyone should treat equally. Further, Caesar Beccaria added that punishment should be swift. Swift means court trial must be quick so that justice remain in the society. If our criminal justice system would work quick, then the chances of reoffending will decrease. This was the whole concept of Classical School of Criminology. Stay tuned for more updates.